Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to be interviewing Puan Anita Abu Bakar, the president and founder of MIASA. So let's get started. Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today I am with Puan Anita and I am going to be interviewing her. Hi Puan Anita, how are you today?
I'm good, alhamdulillah. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. So I'm just going to be asking a few questions so that the audience can know a little bit. So the first question is, how do you explain to children about mental illness?
That's actually a very interesting question. I think for me, it was a little bit easier to explain to my children because you're my child. So Dahlia is my daughter, and okay, Dahlia, first, maybe you can tell everyone why, what made you become interested in conducting this interview with me.
Oh, okay. I wanted to do this interview because a lot of people out there who are struggling with mental health issues, they need help and support from an NGO like MIASA, which helps mental illness peers, so that they can help them during the recovery and make friends there. Yeah. So
That's such a noble effort, Dahlia. Thank you very much for having me.
Thank you.
Okay, so to answer your question, for those of you who do not know, I'm a person with lived experiences, so I'm a person with a mental health condition. And I think for me, you know that it's easier for a person like me to explain to my children because, you know, you guys were together with me in my journey to recovery. So seeing it firsthand made it easier for me to explain it to you. So you saw in the beginning, you know, how terrible I was. You know, I was in a very difficult situation. You know, I wasn't able to interact with you guys. I wasn't able to be with you. Especially, I think it was very upsetting, and I felt really guilty, especially when you guys had your exams and you needed someone, you know, you needed me to be there for you because I'm that person that, you know, would always sit down and study with you guys and do revision and all that. And you know, Daddy really had to go to work, so you know, seeing you struggling with it, not being able to be there for you guys, I think that was one of the most difficult times in my life. And I think to best explain it to kids would be when you see a change in behavior of your parent. When suddenly your parent gets upset easily or gets very moody or gets very angry or keeps to themselves. So for example, sit in their room a lot, not really talking. So I think these are all some signs that parents are struggling, and I would also want to say that please be patient if you have parents that are struggling with mental health conditions because they need time to recover. It's not that they don't want to be with you guys. It's not that they don't want to be with their kids, but they're not able to at the moment. So what is important to understand is recovery takes time. And you know, it might take 6 months, it could take a year, it could take years. So I think what is important is for everyone to support the person. It doesn't mean that, you know, the person is an adult, they don't need support, because even for me, you know, you guys were my strength. So I think this is something that I need, you know, kids to also understand. Thank you.
Okay. Oh, I love that explanation.
Thank you.